Welcome back. This is the second part of lucrative and less competitive engineering courses you can study in Nigeria universities or polytechnics, right? If you have not seen the first part of the video, kindly check it out. I'll put the link in the description box. I've talked about 5 courses that you can study, engineering courses you can study in Nigeria universities. They are less competitive, they are lucrative, and they have low cut-off mark. So this is the second part. And also, if you have not seen other courses that I talk about, medical courses and other courses you can study, they are less competitive and they have no cut-off mark, kindly check them out, right? So to put this is, make sure you check for subject combination before you start your admission process or apply to any school, right? This is very important because admission process, admission requirements can change at any time, right? So this admission requirements and admission process are subjects you should review time to time. Don't just rely on what you see on YouTube, on Google, on social media. Make sure you check the school website so that you can be updated. Right. I love you guys. So let's dive into the video. So I'm gonna start from number 6. The number 6 we have agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the design of farm machinery, the location and planning of farm structures. Agricultural engineering attempts to solve agricultural problems concerning power supply, the efficiency of machinery, and the use of structures and facilities. So what do agricultural engineers do? They use complete software to design equipment system or structures. So let's talk about the cutoff mark. The cutoff mark ranges from 160 to 200. It depends on the school you want to study this course. And also, let's talk about the JAMB combination. Please check for subjects, for JAMB subject combination, O-level subject combination before you apply to any school or before you start processing your admin. Let's talk about the universities you can study this course. Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, Obafemi University is popularly known as OAU. And also you can study this course at Lautech. And then Federal University of Agriculture, Maduguri, then University of Ibadan, UI, and University of Ilorin. So these are, there are many universities. We have universities, other universities that you can also as well study this course, right? So number 7 on my list is telecommunication. Telecommunication is also my favorite. In another video, I said biomedical is my favorite, but in this part, telecommunication is my favorite because I love communication. So I love anything that comes with communication, right? So what is telecommunication? Telecommunication engineering is a discipline founded around the exchange of information across channels via wired or wireless means. So telecommunication engineers design, construct, store, and service telecommunications equipment and systems. Let's talk about the universities you can study this course, right? You can study this course UNILAG, University of Lagos, UI, University of Ibadan. Covenant University is a private university. FUTA, Federal University of Technology, Akure, and also Uni Ilorin. I just mentioned 5. I'm very sure there are many other universities you can as well study this course. So the cutoff mark ranges from 160 to 180, 200 and above, depend on the universities you want to study this course. So duration is 5 years. 5 years. Okay, so the subject combination for the jam subject combination for this. Please check it out. The number 8 on my list is chemical engineering. Chemical engineering. Do I love chemical engineering? I'll say yes, I love chemical engineering too. So, what is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering involves production and manufacturing of products through chemical process. This includes designing equipment, system, and processes for refining raw materials, for mixing, compounding, and processing chemicals. What do chemical engineers do? What do they do? So chemical engineers translate process developed in the lab into practical applications for commercial production of products, and then work to maintain and improve those processes. Right, so subject combination: mathematics, English, chemistry, and biology, and physics. Sorry, physics. So university, you can study this course. Covenant University is a private university. Bayero University, Amadu Bello University, University of Nigeria, and OAU. There are many other schools, and the cutoff mark ranges from 180 to 200, and this duration is 5 years. So chemical engineering is 5 years program, right? And so number 9 on the list is civil engineering. So civil engineering is a branch of engineering that's centered around the design, maintenance, and construction of infrastructure, right? So civil engineering plans, design, supervise the construction and maintenance of building infrastructure projects. Side note, you can study this course, you can as well study this course in polytechnic, right? So if you don't want to go to university, you can study this course in the polytechnic, right? So if you watch this video and you know any polytechnic, we can study this course, let us know under the comment section. But I know Osun State Polytechnic over this course, Ilaro over this course. Ilaro is a federal polytechnic, and let me guess, but I'm very sure of these two polytechnics, and I'm very sure there are many other polytechnics that offer this course. So just let us know in the comment section in case you know. So let's talk about the university that's over this course. We have OAU, Obafemi Awolowo Universities. We have Uni Ilorin, Federal University of Ilorin. We have Unilag, University of Lagos. We have Adeleke University. Adeleke University is a private university, and then we have Lautech, right? So this duration for this course is 5 years. So civil engineering is 5 years program, right? So the cutoff mark ranges from 160, 180, 200, and above, right? Subject combination: mathematics and English, and physics and chemistry. So that is that for engineering, for civil engineering. So let's move to the last on the list: electronic engineering. Electrical electronics engineering. So this engineering course deals with the its design, study, and application of devices, equipment, and system to use electricity. What these engineers do, they deals with power generation and transition system. I'm studying this course in polytechnics and universities, right? So let me just talk about the universities you can study this course. Unilag, Covenant University, University of Benin, OAU, Lautech, and so on, right? So the cutoff mark ranges from 180 to 200 and above, depending on the university you study this course. Subject combination is mathematics and English, physics and chemistry. And the duration, this course is 5 years program. So this is all I have for you on engineering, lucrative and less competitive engineering courses you can study in Nigeria universities and polytechnics. I'll still bring more. So in case you don't find what you want in this episode, don't worry, I'm still going to put more out there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share my video to your friend so your friend can share my video to a friend, and your friend can share my video to your friend and friend and friend. Just share my video, right? And subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you so much.